have arrived in the north woods of Michigan for our lodgings for the weekend here at Pine Hill, the only vertical log cabin I've ever seen in my life. And this place has running water, so if you want water, you gotta run your ass out here to this pump and get it, or run your butt back there to the outhouse. But it's a charming, very charming place. It's cool in here.
It always is. It came up last week. It was humid and all the windows were sweating. Oh, yes, it's his place.
Alright, we're here at the Sable River, north central Michigan, and I'm going to try a little trout fishing today, which I am no expert at. So we'll see what happens. The water is really cooking too. Probably too swift right here. We'll give it a few. I'm getting hit right there, or I'm just bumping something. That was definitely a hit. Yep. Rich, I'm on already. A little trout, see? There you go. Or a cooler.
Dang it.
Yeah, so I guess we're catching and releasing.
I've got a pair of hemostats if you want me to grab them.
Let me see if I can get them. See if I can kill them. I'm gonna have to eat them. I think you'll be all right. Going back, little buddy. Third cast. I'm gonna make sure my barbs are squished down.
They're squished out?
Squished down. Which I believe these already were.
See along the side that brush?
No, he's right here in front of me. I got one chase me right up here to my feet.
Hop out of the water. You know, like watching how quickly you cover yours.
Ooh, need to put some drag on this reel in case I hook something big. I think I got a big one. All right, a little bigger. Oh, here's a mean one. He's a trout.
My guy.
He's a trout.
Come on, buddy, breathe.
Yeah, we don't even have like a stringer.
I do. It's in my tackle box at home.
So that one there I would keep.
Well,
You got a plastic bag, right?
yeah.
Put them in a plastic bag.
You can ask the girls to bring a bucket up.
Well, you know, if you do that, you do all that, they'll go and quit biting. Up again, guys. I literally have not moved. These are all his hatchery fish, so they're giants, but hey, you know, we're trout fishing. Alright, we got a good one this time. And keep him on. Catch and release.
There you go. That little brown?
I think it was a rainbow. That's about number 10 for me, standing right here.
Nice.
Yeah. Alright, fish number like 20 since I've been here. I don't know how big this one is. Even didn't take no drag. Just a hatchery size fish, most of them. Did lose one about 1.5 pounds. About a, I don't know, 14, 15 incher right at my feet a little while back. I don't know if I got that on camera or not. I think I did, actually. I came down this trail, this bend in the river where we got a little slower current on this side. Seems to be where they're at. I'm no expert trout fisherman for sure. If this makes another sharp turn just past me down there, if I'm thinking about heading down that way, try that little spot. We get one keeper here if he don't make his way back in the river, which he's trying to. Thought I had the camera rolling for him, but I didn't. There's no size limit here, and you can keep 10. So I told the girls we'd bring back some dinner. Oh. Got this little guy to add to our, however we're gonna cook them tonight, probably smoked trout. Alright folks, so cleaned and butterflied those trout. Got them on the Weber kettle, chunk of oak, just a, I don't know, half chimney charcoal. Put a quarter chimney of lit on top of quarter chimney unlit. Got the vent cracked open just a quarter of the way on this one. This is a base model, so I don't really have a thermometer on it. Make sure that lid's tight. and making some smoked rainbow trout, and the rest we're gonna fry up. I've never actually had it fried here at the, so we'll try it here at the cabin today. We already got the fire pit going. Beautiful day here in north central Michigan. Started out a little chilly. Caught a bunch of fish. I personally caught over 30 trout today. So our hostess is gathering down limbs out of the yard, and we're feeding that fire. So we'll have a nice fire after dinner. And we're also having some fresh morels for dinner, as well as some other sides in the cabin. Show you them real quick. I come in the cabin, and of course we got them going in cast iron. Just a little closing. Hey, we went out and caught those trout today, brought them back to camp here at the cabin, put them guys on the smoker. All I did was butterfly them out, put a little Everglades seasoning on them, let them set about 20 minutes in that Everglades seasoning. Gives them a little dry brine, and then we put them on a smoker at about 250 on the Weber kettle, indirect over there. I showed you that, and let them go about 2 hours. Turned out perfect. Bunch of wows around the table here at the cabin here in the North Woods of Michigan. So if you like what we're doing, please smash that like button right down there. To subscribe to our channel, you can do it right over there. For another great Backwoods Gourmet video, it's going to be right over there. And for a whole playlist of catch, cleaning, cook videos, right there. We'll see you next time.